Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to upload zip files on Terabox app, and now let's dive right in. Now to upload zip files on your Terabox app, first open up a Terabox app on your phone as I've already opened it, and on your phone after opening a Terabox app guys, this interface will be available for you as well. Where at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the plus button available for us. At the bottom right corner just above the share button, tap on the plus button over here, and you can see the zip files option available for us at just beside the document. When this panel appears after tapping on the plus icon, tap on the zip option over here just beside the document, and over here guys, if any zip files is available on your phone, all of the zip files will be over here. Since I don't have any zip files currently on my phone, there isn't any available, but in your case, in order to zip files on the Terabox, after landing over here, give all the permission required by the phone in order to upload the zip files if your Terabox requires any confirmation or permissions. And after your zip file is available over here, tap on the zip file to select the zip file which you want to upload, and tap on the upload button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And by doing that guys, your zip files will be uploaded on Terabox app. And there guys, this is how to upload zip files on Terabox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.